Wait, I can't take a video kung ganito. Punta ka sa gilid. Wait lang. Yeah. Mahirap mag-skate. Come on, Brian.
It's not masakit.
Show your skating skill on video.
Show ka ano, Brian.
Ivy, it's your turn.
It's my turn to what?
Show your skating skills.
No way. Mine goes down. Alright. So I'll try it. It's like a baby learning to walk. It's really hard.
I know.
Deep.
Where? Done? Okay. And the whole time I'll record this. I hope I won't drop my iPad though. Okay. So yeah, we're trying to skate, but we don't know how to. 8 p.m. yung battery. So, ano sabi mo?
Wala. Naglalandi lang. Cute ng ano, lalaki naman.
Where's Shane? Can you see him?
Ayun o.
Where?
Ayun. Sa may rocks. Malapit sa rocks.
See Sports Central. Ah,
There.
doon siya?
Ayun siya. Yung di ba may ilong naka-green, dalawa.
Yeah. Nakita ko na.
Okay, try. By yourself. Don't just move yet. Wait. Really hard. Okay.
Ikaw ang main character sa video na to. Dahan-dahan tayo.
Can't even go to the middle. Sucks. Can you, Brian? Wait. I'll try. It's really fun. Like,
May tao sa likod mo tayo.
bakit nasa na si Abby? Here, Kenzie.
Teka lang! Wait! Oh my God! Good! Hirap siya, te. Madulas.
Oo, madulas eh. Ate, alam mo kung bakit?
It
Madulas.
feels like you're a baby trying to walk.
Hindi, madulas talaga sa gilid. Gilid ang try.
Yeah. Oh my God.
We'll get out of here. Now, I can walk.
Oops, sorry.
Skating is pretty hard. We're like idiots here.
We spent 300 cents for this one and it's not really a waste. At least you tried. Pero nakakabang tayo. Ayun.
Power.
Seriously. Are you done? Oh my God.
Palitan ko lang yung size.
Sige.